Hey, what's up guys, I'm Top Combo Tech and today I'm going down for the Galaxy S9. The Galaxy S9 is just a month away from becoming officially, with Samsung having confirmed that its 2018 flagship will see a launch at Mobile World Congress in February. We have rounded up everything we know about the handset so far below. Specs: 5.8 inches or 7.2 inches Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED curved display, 570 ppi or 529 ppi, Android 8.0, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 for the US version, and for the UK version Samsung Exynos, which is faster and more battery efficient. 4GB and 6GB RAM. Storage options can go from 64GB up to 256GB. Cat 18 LTE support, 1.2GB per second download speeds, 12 megapixel dual pixel camera with optical image stabilization at f1.5 to f2.4, vertical dual rear facing camera. A video posted on Chinese site Weibo claims to show off a working prototype of the Galaxy S9 less than a month ahead of its Mobile World Congress launch. The 10-second clip doesn't reveal anything groundbreaking but does confirm that the S9 will feature the same curved OLED display as its predecessor. A separate leak via case maker Poetic Cases claiming that the Galaxy S9 will be available in silver and grey, also like last year's Galaxy S8. Price? There's no word yet on pricing for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. If anything like the S8, expect handsets to fetch around £689 and £779 SIM-free. And my last point, according to a leak via EV Leaks, pre-orders of the Galaxy S9 will begin just days later on 1st of March, and the handset is tipped to start shipping 2 weeks later on 16th March. Thanks a lot for watching, subscribe for more to my channel, also give it a thumbs up if you like my video, and I see you on my next one.